This is CNN Breaking News.
Good evening, Anderson. I'm here reporting live from the Florida Welcome Center, where, as you can see, a U.S. Navy plane is stuck to the ground. Now, some people think that's part of an installation, and it was intended to be there. I say no, it's actually just stuck through that curved pipe. Wasted resources. U.S. Navy, right? That could be deployed to Ukraine. All right? Putin is out of control, and we have to stop him at all costs. Let's use the planes instead of throwing them up in rest areas and just letting them stand there. And while we're at it, we should also give the Ukrainians keys to the Starbucks bathroom, because that's apparently one of our state secrets. My heart is crying today, Anderson, for the plight of the Ukrainian people. Even the neo-Nazis with the swastikas who want to burn all the Jews. And I see a plane like that, and I think, let's send more weaponry to Ukraine. Let's get Northrop Grumman on them. Let's get Boeing, okay? Let's support the underprivileged military-industrial complex. Because that's what all America's all about, you know? More war, more death. All in the name of imperialism. That's why when you come to Florida Welcome Center, the first thing you see is a fighter jet.